Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable age-restricted mode on Discord. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app and then click user settings on the lower part of your screen. And then after that, you want to click privacy and safety. Then here you can see this section. It says that allow access to age-restricted commands from apps in direct messages. So you just need to turn that on. When the switch is green, it means that the age-restricted commands is turned on, and if you want to switch that off, just go ahead and toggle that switch off. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.